Three red flags that you need to know before taking credit advice from people. Part 4. If they are advising you that you do not have to pay on collections or charge off once they are removed from your credit report, that is a red flag. But hold up, there are certain exceptions. So, exception number 1, if you have fraud accounts on your credit report and you did not open those accounts, you are not responsible for that debt. Number 2, if it has reached the statute of limitation. However, there's more to the statute of limitation that needs to be discussed. And if you guys have any questions or concerns, drop it below in the comment section. Number 3, if the creditor provides you a 1099-C, which a 1099-C is cancellation of debt, then you do not have to pay that debt back because they already canceled that debt. Exception number 4, time barred debt is unpaid debt that a debt collector can no longer legally sue you to collect because it's beyond the statute of limitation, you guys. So there are just a few more exceptions when it comes to the creditors and the collection of not paying them off, but we can save that for another video. If you guys have any questions or concerns, comment below. But those are your red flags. Like, share, and comment.